Next up, we have Mille Lacs County. Access in Mille Lacs County is an issue. According to the Connect Minnesota Broadband Service Inventory, all but a small portion of the county has broadband available, mostly mobile wireless or DSL broadband in rural areas. The 8 cities have cable broadband. The county's rates of unemployment, poverty, and senior residents are all higher than average in the state and can be barriers for residents to access or use broadband. In their BBC application, the county staff wrote, "A lot of our economic development future success may hinge on increasing broadband usage, support, affordability, and access in Mille Lacs County." Several county task forces have determined that economic development, including adoption and use of broadband, is increasingly important for the county's current and long-term success. The county's proposed projects include working with educational, government, and business resources to assist residents in making the most of available broadband. Mille Lacs County's Blandin Broadband Community leadership team includes representatives from government, social services, and businesses. And here's Mille Lacs County's Administrator, Roxy Traxler, to say a few words. Roxy.
I'll start off with, I really don't like standing up here and talking to everybody. We are really excited about this opportunity with Blandin because we are, I think, even a year behind, say, the Kanabec County group in that this is really the beginning for us. When she mentioned task forces, we started a comprehensive strategic planning process well over a year ago. And it keeps coming up in every task force that we've talked about, whether it was economic development, whether it was social services and public health, whether it was public safety, that this is an issue. And that we need to start talking about it to address it. And through this program, what we're looking for is to build that community sense of what the issue is, first of all, because I think people know, but they haven't really talked about it. And then also, what do we do about the issue? How do we get more people involved? As stated, we have a rural, poor county. Cost is a factor. You know, just because there's mobile access available doesn't mean people can afford it or that they're using it. So we have to look at those types of issues. Economic development is a big one. If you're familiar at all with Mille Lacs County, you know we have no business base. And in order to get and keep the small mom and pop home businesses that we have, we need to get them a presence. They need to be on the map. We hear a lot of tourists will go through and they'll put in their smartphone, okay, I want a restaurant. Well, if it's not on their smartphone, they're not going to stop. And our businesses, a lot of them don't have that. So we're really starting from the beginning, and you know, once we figure out what we have, we want to get more people involved. We've got, you know, support and interest from our schools, from some of our local banks, other businesses. Our county obviously is very involved in this. But to spread that word, get people interested, Blandin's going to be our mentor and our coach through this process, so we're very excited to get started. Thank you.